Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Garden Profiler. Today, we're diving deep into the lush world of foliage and flora as we take a tour of Vandermeer Nurseries located in Ajax, Ontario. And boy, do we have a treat for you. Our first stop is the artificial plant section. Just feast your eyes on these beauties. I mean, can you even tell they're not real? It's like having all the beauty of nature without the need for a green thumb. And trust me, they're perfect for those of us who struggle to keep our plants alive. There's also different accessories to beautify your outdoors and to create your haven. I never liked having artificial plants, but boy, they have come a long way. Now let's move on to some house plants. There's something here for everyone. This is the tropical pitcher plant. These plants have evolved special mechanisms that allow them to entice, capture, and digest insects and other prey that give them the nitrogen and phosphorus they need to grow. So it's perfect for hanging in your kitchen if you have a problem with flies. Now here we're gonna enter the assortment of different water plants. If you're thinking of sprucing up your pond, look no further. They've got everything from water lilies to water hyacinths. Remember, a healthy pond starts with the right plants. So let's look at the selection so you could create your own aquatic oasis. And if you haven't done so, check out my video on So You're Thinking of Getting a Pond for some tips and tricks on how to get a pond established and how to keep it healthy once you have it going. Be sure to check it out. Before adding koi fish or turtles to your backyard ponds, there are several important pieces of advice you should consider first. 1. Research proper care requirements. Both koi fish and turtles have specific care needs. Research extensively to understand their habitat requirements, feeding habits, water quality needs, and potential health issues. 2. The size of your pond. Ensure your pond is adequately sized for the species you intend to keep. Koi fish require a significant amount of space to thrive and grow, while turtles need both land and water areas in the pond. 3. Your water quality. Maintain good water quality. That is essential for the health of both your koi fish and the turtles. Invest in a quality filtration system and regularly test the water parameters such as the pH, ammonia, nitrate, and nitrite levels. 4. Compatibility. Consider the compatibility of different species before introducing them to the same pond. Some turtles may prey on smaller fish, while certain fish species may harass or stress turtles. Number 5. Provide ample shelter and hiding places for both the koi fish and turtles within the pond. This includes aquatic plants, rocks, and artificial structures where they can seek refuge and feel secure. 6. Be mindful of proper feeding practices. Overfeeding can lead to water quality issues and health problems for both fish and turtles. Feed them an appropriate diet and avoid foods that may cause digestive issues. 7. Ensure the pond is suitable for the species' temperature requirements. Some turtles may need a heated basking area, especially in colder climates, while koi fish thrive in a pond with stable temperatures. 8. Protect the pond from potential predators such as birds, raccoons, and other animals that may harm or disturb koi fish or turtles. 9. Regularly monitor the health of your fish and turtles. Look out for signs of illness and distress, and promptly address any issues that arise. 10. Check your local regulations and laws regarding ownership and keeping of koi fish and turtles. Some species may be protected or restricted in certain areas. Vandermeer Nursery also has a beautiful selection of pond plants. If we do not want to use the bigger ones, bigger plants like these back here, like the Calla water lily, then you could opt for the water lettuce and the water hyacinths. Always remember, a healthy pond starts with the right plant. So visit your garden center for inspiration as to what water plants you can include in your pond. Now let's stroll over to the house plants. The selection of house plants was incredible. I couldn't even show you half of what was available. This is just a glimpse of what the nurseries have to offer. I wanted to serve as inspiration for you. When you go out to your local nurseries, you will find something that inspires you, that can get your creative juices flowing. From a beautiful assortment of orchids to towering palms and delicate ferns. Or it could be that flower pot you've always wanted, or that concrete bunny for your garden. As we continue our stroll through this botanical paradise, let's not forget the true magic of plants, the ability to uplift our spirits and bring joy to our lives. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, there will be something at your garden center that could get you inspired. So let your imagination run wild and turn those green dreams into a reality this year. If you're enjoying this tour around Vandermeer Nurseries in Ajax, please go ahead and give this video a like and a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, where we always try to inspire you and help you turn your garden dreams into a reality. And if I haven't been able to inspire you yet, let's take a look at the succulents and some more indoor plants. Maybe they might do the trick. Now let's check out the cactus selection. For those of us with no green thumbs, there's quite the selection to choose from. You could get color, you could get drama, you could get architecture, whatever you need from the cactus, it's all here. Well, my fellow plant enthusiast, it's been an absolute pleasure guiding you through this botanical wonderland. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of green thumbs. And as always, keep cultivating joy wherever you go. Until next time, happy gardening.